I'm going to show you how to use the Earth Tones version 2 presets inside Lightroom Mobile. First, we want to start in Lightroom Mobile and open up an image. Now, before we apply the presets, we need to make some basic corrections to our image. So we need to adjust the exposure manually, and we also need to adjust the white balance. These are corrections which are specific to each photograph, so we need to ensure these are done before we apply the preset. Once we've done that, scroll the toolbar at the bottom and press the Presets tab. Choose the Earth Tones presets from the Preset Group drop-down menu, and to apply the presets, we simply press on our chosen preset. Once we've applied the preset that we want, we need to go back and readjust some of our settings. So I'm going to go and turn the exposure down a touch. And I think I'm going to adjust the temperature just to suit the image a little more. So you'll want to go back and customize some of the settings to suit every photograph. Now, one of the areas you want to pay attention to is the skin tones. So we can see the skin tones here are very saturated and not quite the right color. So we're going to go into the color tab, hit the mix button to open up our color mixer. We're going to go into the color orange. And we're going to start by adjusting the hue until we find a hue for that skin tone which looks a bit more natural. Then I'm just going to decrease that saturation a little bit just to give it a nice natural tone. And once you've finished, we simply press done. And here's our finished image. So if we press and hold on the screen, we can see the before and the after. And keep customizing the settings until you find something that really suits each photograph.